Let me show you how your microwave can become your kitchen's most powerful tool. First up is perfect microwave roasted peanuts. Start with raw peanuts, rinse and pat that completely dry. A light coating of oil helps them crisp up beautifully. 4 minutes on high gives you perfectly roasted nuts without any panning or stirring needed. The result is crunchy, golden peanuts that put store-bought versions to shame. Next, transform leftover rice into incredible crackers. Mix it with barbecue seasoning, savory sauces, and just enough oil. Press it thin between parchment paper. 3 minutes high plus 3 minutes medium creates crackers so light and crunchy. You will not believe they started as plain rice. Then try effortless microwave render lard. Cube pour fat and let the microwave work its magic. 8 minutes on high. Slowly renders out every drop of pure, clean lard without any splattering or watching. Use that freshly made lard to create incredible scallion oil. 5 more minutes transforms chopped scallions into fragrant infused oil. Mixed with soy sauce and sugar. It creates a dressing that clings perfectly to noodles. Top with a perfectly cooked egg and sesame seeds for a complete meal. Finally, easy microwave mapo tofu. Score soft tofu to help it absorb the transitional sauce. A powerful blend of savory, spicy and rich flavors. 5 minutes on high heat. It through while letting the flavors melt perfectly. The result is standard tofu in a sauce so good you will want to drink it straight. These are not just microwave tricks. They are legitimate cooking techniques that deliver results revealing traditional methods from perfect proteins to crispy snacks and complex sauces. Your microwave just became your most versatile appliance. Each recipe delivers amazing results without any stovetop cooking, providing that convenience and quality can absolutely go hand in hand.